Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Dahi gravy using an easy method. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of fresh, plain yogurt, which forms the creamy base of our gravy. Also, prepare your essential spices such as a half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Don't forget a tablespoon of oil or ghee for tempering, and a non-stick pan with a whisk. Now let's prepare the Dahi base for our gravy. Take your 1 cup of fresh yogurt and whisk it thoroughly until it becomes completely smooth and lump-free. This step is crucial for a silky texture. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of graham flour, also known as besan, to the yogurt. This helps prevent the gravy from curdling when heated. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for a beautiful golden hue and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for a mild kick. With our yogurt base ready, it's time for tempering and cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Now, slowly pour the whisked yogurt mixture into the pan. It is very important to stir continuously for the first 5 to 7 minutes to prevent the yogurt from curdling. Keep stirring until the gravy begins to thicken nicely. For the final touches, once your Dahi gravy has thickened to your desired consistency, add salt to taste. Usually about 1/2 teaspoon is sufficient, but adjust as needed. Stir it in well. Finally, garnish your delicious Dahi gravy with a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped coriander leaves. This adds a wonderful freshness and aroma. Serve this warm, creamy gravy with steamed rice, roti, or paratha for a comforting and flavorful meal. Enjoy your easy homemade Dahi gravy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.